Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you go about purchasing Bitcoin. You're going to have to do this through an exchange such as Coinbase.com. This is the website that I use to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And if you use my referral link down in the video description to head on over to Coinbase, you can get $10 in free Bitcoin after you make at least $100 in exchange of cryptocurrency through your Coinbase account. So once you're over at Coinbase, what you're going to want to do is create an account by clicking where it says Get Started. And it's pretty simple to create your account. What's going to take a little bit more time is verifying your personal information, but simply to create your account, you just enter in your first name, your last name, the email and password that you want to associate with your Coinbase account, and then also selecting which state that you're from, and then also certifying that you're 18 years of age or older and agreeing to the user agreement and privacy policy by checking this box, and then you can go ahead and create your account. And they'll want you to verify your email, so be sure it's an email that you use. They'll send an email over to it. You click on the verification link as an added layer of security. And as you're going through the process of creating your Coinbase account, they'll ask you for things like, obviously, your legal name, as well as your date of birth, your street address, and also how you'll be planning to fund your Coinbase account. And make sure that you enter in all accurate information, because they'll ask you the same questions and you'll have to fill it out exactly how you did the first time around so that you can verify your identity. And next, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about account limits and the options that you have to purchase Bitcoin with. And to get to your profile page, just simply click your profile image and then click settings, and that will take you to the profile tab. Then go over and click account limits if you want to see the different level of verifications that you've achieved. So there's 3 levels of verification. One is verifying your phone number. This allows you to invest up to $9,500, buy cryptocurrency with your bank account or credit or debit card. And getting level 2 verified is unlimited investing, wire funds in and out of Coinbase, and store US dollars in your Coinbase account. And to achieve this level of verification, you have to verify your personal information. And this is just simply going to be things such as your home address and a few other questions such as how you're going to be funding your account and your current employment status, things such as that. And to achieve a level 3 of verification, which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrency, you're going to have to verify with a photo ID. And this is really easy to do, actually. If you're using the Coinbase application, you'll just take a picture of the front and back of your identification card, such as your driver's license, to get this level of verification. And to set up your payment methods, just simply click the payment methods in your profile area, and you can add payment methods to fund your cryptocurrency purchases, such as a checking account, a debit card, or a credit card. And you simply do that by clicking add a payment method and then going through the process of entering in which type of payment method that you'd like to use. And after we have everything set up, now what we can finally do is trade cryptocurrency. So to do this, just click on the little trade button up here towards the top of the page. So to purchase Bitcoin, just make sure that you're in the buy tab, and then decide whether you want to do a one-time purchase or set up a recurring purchase. But more often than not, you're probably just going to do a one-time purchase. Make sure you pick which cryptocurrency that you want to buy. In this instance, we're doing Bitcoin. And then how you're going to pay for this cryptocurrency, whether it's a checking account, a credit, or a debit card that you have set up. So let's say we wanted to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin. So you type in the amount that you want and then click where it says Preview Buy. And then in the order preview, it'll give you how much Bitcoin that you're purchasing, what you're paying with, the current price of Bitcoin, how much you'll be purchasing after Coinbase takes out their fee, and then the total of this transaction. And then if everything checks out, click where it says buy now, and you will officially purchase that amount of Bitcoin in your Coinbase account. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how to set up a Coinbase account, the different levels of verification that you can set up, how to enter in your payment method that you need to purchase the cryptocurrency, and then how you go in and actually trade a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin in Coinbase. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.